Number one thing that you need to do to clean up this spring is your physical space, where you do your business. That's what spring cleaning for your business is all about. That's your desk, workspace, files, your open house totes, even your car. It's important that the stuff around you is neat and organized. In fact, don't just strive to make it clean, but make it organized and rejuvenating. Don't just try to tackle this all in one day because it'll be overwhelming. If you take anywhere from 15 minutes to an hour each day for a week and get those areas cleaned up, you are going to feel a lot better about working on your business. Our Spring Clean Business Challenge is going to provide agents with a cleanup checklist for their office and their home. Plus, we're going to have some weekly prizes and share our progress in our private group. Go to successhelpchallenge.com right now and sign up. You're going to be amazed at what you can accomplish in a month for less than $1 a day.